Good day, children. Welcome back. After summarization, I am going to start with a new topic that is advertisement. It's a very big topic, and everybody knows the importance of the advertisement. We used to see in television that all are movable. We can listen, we can see, and then we see the advertisement in newspaper, on the roadside, and so many other things also we can see the advertisement. Now what is the purpose of advertisement? It's a kind of information either we are giving or we are taking, isn't it, children? The information we are able to know about different vehicles, different cosmetics, different whatever new things are coming, which we are not able to know by sitting at home. But by seeing these advertisement, at least we are able to know about the job, about the sale, about so many things, isn't it, children? That's the utilization of the advertisement. Now, children, during examination time, how we are going to write or how we are going to form it. So, advertisement, for this we have to know few of the tips, few of the steps, and how many types are there. So, for that, let's start with some of the theories of advertisement. Then it is very easy, it's not tough, only few things you have to keep it in mind. We will start with that, children. See here, I am going to read. The word advertisement means a public notice or an announcement asking for or offering services, advertising for buying or selling property, household goods, vehicles, etc. So, as already I discussed while starting, that what is the utilization of the advertisement? It's a kind of notice because we want to know the information, or an announcement, isn't it? Now, what are the purposes? Either offering services or advertisement for buying or selling property. We know, children, these all we know. So, we should not get confused about this. Advertisements are also used for giving information about missing persons, pets, goods, and so on. The written draft of an advertisement is termed as copy. Okay, the thing which we are seeing in the form of written advertisement, that is called as copy. Advertisement is a very important tool for promotion of sales and services. Now they are of two types: classified advertisement and commercial or display advertisement. Classified advertisement, children, those who are reading newspaper or seeing the newspaper, you will see one full page of advertisement of different things. So many: house rent, then for jobs, then for selling vehicle, for selling house, for buying house. So many things are the one full page used to come. Either you see the Hindi newspaper or you see the English newspaper. It is having all kind of advertisement, that is called as classified advertisement. And then comes the commercial or display. Display means which you can see, that all comes under commercial. So there are various types of classified advertisement. Let's see. The objective of these advertisement is to convey more while paying less. That means information whatever you are giving, that is more in number, but the paying less means less money. They are brief because they are charged per word or per column. This one is very important, children. See, the number of words you are using for making your advertisement, that much you have to pay. Either per word or per column or line, or according to the space they occupy in a newspaper. In a newspaper also you will be seeing some are giving, for example, selling of the flat 3 BHK, 2 BHK. Some builders, they used to give one full page advertisement. You all have seen. but when you see the other, it's just uh, 2 centimeter by 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter by 5 centimeter, like that. So that space, how much it is covering in the newspaper, that much you have to pay for that. That means so many newspaper you are giving, so for that you have to pay. Okay children, they are called classified because they are grouped into classes or categories according to their subject matter. So very many people are giving the advertisement, so they are grouped together, that in this group this advertisement will come, in that group that will be done, like that. Some classified advertisement have a PO box added to them. This facility is provided to the advertisers at some extra cost to preserve their identity. It is generally used for matrimonial alliances advertisement. PO box is also given. So in that, because of that, little bit more charge, this facility is provided to the advertisers by giving some extra money, and where it is used especially for the matrimonial alliance advertisements. So children, here you have to pay for the advertisement, and for this, different newspaper have their own costing charges. So the things, why it is called as classified advertisement, because these advertisements are grouped among or in a class, and then it is put in the newspaper. Now we will see which are the types of these classified advertisements, and we will see the features also. First, let us see the types. Situations vacant wanted, that means wherever vacancies are there, they will come under vacant situation or situations vacant. And then situations wanted, here there are two things children. Many times we have seen in the newspaper it is written wanted, that means somebody wants something, that I need any farm or any for example doctors and all, in hospitals, in clinics, or any supermarket, they need the workers. So that time they used to put that one for receptionist and all. Wanted, they used to write. Here one more wanted is there, in which you want the job, so you can also write from your side as the advertisement. It is called a situation wanted. It's little different. While explaining, I will say that one. So situation vacant and situation wanted, both are having the same meaning. Vacant means one company needs somebody, and wanted means that I am available for this particular job. So that is the thing. Then comes the sale and the purchase. You are selling something, we are going to purchase something. It can be a property, it can be vehicle, it can be household goods. Then to let, you might have seen while going in the main road and all, in the that shops, big buildings are made, and it is written to let, that means you have to give in rent. Missing person and pets, it is very common to see in the newspaper, missing persons. Then comes lost and found. Then comes travel and tours, matrimonial alliance, obituary, appeal, educational. You just open the newspaper children, you will be able to see these types of classified. It is written also classified advertisements like that in the newspaper. Please children, see this one. It's an advice to you, it's a suggestion, that please go through the newspaper, whatever is coming at your home, and if it is not coming also, wherever it is available, please see it, you will find it. Then comes the features. What are the features? Categorized according to the subject matter and different classes, more economical as they occupy less space, language simple and concise, composed of short phrases or words. So these are the four important features, that first of all it is covering very less space, so it is not costly. Then very easy to understand, long sentences are not there, very short sentences or phrases are there. Language is also very simple and concise. and it is economical, and they are categorized according to the subject matter. So hope children you have understood, you know what is an advertisement. Okay, but when we have to study something more, and more information should be there along with us, because when we are knowing about it, everything about the advertisement, it is easy for us to use it also, implement also. Then comes some guidelines for drafting classified advertisement. They should always be drafted in such a way. Drafted means it should be composed, written. Planning should be there. That is called as drafted. Okay, one term is used in such a way that they attract the readers to go through them. Many of the advertisement we don't see even. Okay, but when we see very big colorful advertisement, we generally see. For example, you see on the hoardings the advertisement of clothing, suit, then jewelry. Immediately we see schools, which is colorful and look beautiful. That one we see at least once, we used to see it. So that is called the drafting in such a way that they attract the readers to go through them. They should always be meaningful and interesting so that they can attract the attention of the readers. They should always have simple and effective language. They should always be brief and to the point. The name of the advertiser and the advertised product should be suitably highlighted. If suppose a situation vacant is there, if suppose the name of the farm is not given, if suppose that proper information is not given, and the phone number is not given, email id is not given, address is not given, then what's the use? So these are the important things which should be highlighted, and the language should be very simple. If suppose advertisement consists of tough word, who is going to read? Oh, it is not easy to understand, let it be, then we don't even read that one. So you should use the simple language, and easily, by seeing that, by reading once only, we should get the what about that advertisement is. I hope children that you have understood, and from the next video will come for different types of classified advertisement. So the important ones which is required I will be dealing, and you will be getting one example so that you can understand, and how to write it. That is the most important thing. 2-3 points are very important to be followed. So I will put that one example in one video. So many videos will be there children, please follow it, otherwise you will be losing at this advertisements are of 4 or 5 marks, so don't lose the marks. Okay, good day children, thank you.